Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
The oldest living Shih Tzu ever documented and verified by us. Below is Teddy. He currently holds the record for the oldest Shih Tzu documented and verified by us. He lived to the age of 19 years, 4 months, and 10 days old.
Take our lead.
Many Shih Tzus live a good long life. But unfortunately they can suffer from serious kidney and liver diseases, knee problems, eye diseases, itchy skin allergies, and more. Read more about Shih Tzu health.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Routine care, diet, and exercise. Regular brushing and grooming is needed to keep her coat beautiful. Shih Tzus often have serious problems with their teeth, so you'll need to brush them at least 3 times a week. She is well suited for apartment living. She will need a daily walk and regular inside play.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.